Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, something a little bit different today, a quiz video. You may have seen my 3 previous videos about the different moods in English: the indicative mood, the imperative mood, and the subjunctive mood. If you watched those videos and you want a quiz, stay tuned. And if you haven't watched those videos, you can watch them here. Also, if you think you are a pro at the different moods in English, go ahead, watch the video, and test yourself. If you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, the indicative mood, the imperative mood, and the subjunctive mood. Compared. Let's begin. This video will compare and contrast the 3 moods in English. I am going to write some sentences, and together they will form a short story. I will use the 3 moods in English: indicative, imperative, and subjunctive. Your job is to guess the correct mood. Simple enough, right? Let's see. Read each sentence and try to choose the correct mood for the underlined yellow parts. Ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, what is the function of the sentence? Is it a statement of fact, an opinion, a command, a suggestion, a wish? Is it advice? Is it a conditional, etc.? Number 2, what is the form of the verb in the sentence? Is it a bare infinitive, an infinitive, a conditional, etc.? This will help you determine the mood. And number 3, if the sentence is a suggestion or a command, is the statement imperative or subjunctive? And how do you know? If you don't know the answer, or if you are incorrect, go back and watch the videos on moods again. Try to determine the function of the sentence, the verb, and then come back and watch this quiz video a second time. Pause the video if you need more time. I'm not going to go really slowly, so when I finish saying the sentence, pause the video if you need time to think about the answer. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Let's begin. My friend Sarah, hi Sarah, had a final exam yesterday. What do you think? Indicative, imperative, subjunctive? Why? Next sentence. I told her to be on time for her final exam. The university required that all students be on time for the exam. I said, Sarah, be on time for your exam. She told me that she would leave early, if need be. However, I thought she might still be late. Be that as it may, Sarah was on time for her exam. Be that as it may, Sarah was on time for her exam. She easily passed the test and graduated with honors. However, she was angry with me for doubting her. She even demanded I leave her house. She said, if I were you, I'd leave right now. I told her, please, don't be angry. But she continued to be angry. Leave, she said. Don't come back. I left. When she didn't talk to me again, I said, so be it. Suffice to say, we aren't friends anymore. Suffice to say, we aren't friends anymore. It's kind of a sad story, but I wanted it to be dramatic, so it's a little bit interesting. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about the answers. If you need more time, watch the questions part again. Okay, answers. My friend Sarah had a final exam yesterday. Indicative mood. I told her to be on time for her final exam. Indicative mood. The university required that all students be on time for the exam. Subjunctive mood. I said, Sarah, be on time for your exam. Imperative mood. She told me that she would leave early, if need be. Subjunctive mood. However, I thought she might still be late. Indicative mood. Be that as it may, subjunctive mood. Sarah was on time for her exam. Indicative mood. She easily passed the test and graduated with honors. Indicative mood. She was angry with me for doubting her. Indicative mood. She even demanded I leave her house. Subjunctive mood. She said, "If I were you, I'd leave right now." Subjunctive mood. Please don't be angry. Imperative mood. But she continued to be angry. Indicative mood. Leave. Imperative mood. Don't come back. Imperative mood. I left. Indicative mood. So be it. Subjunctive mood. Suffice to say, subjunctive mood. We aren't friends anymore. Indicative mood. Okay, so how did you do? Did you get them correct? How many? Don't worry if you didn't understand. Moods take practice. Understanding moods takes practice. Review my 3 videos, then try again. If you would like me to make another quiz video, tell me in the comments section below, and I will be happy to do that. Also, if you would like more explanations about the answers, let me know in the comments section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Write your comments in the comments section. Share this video with a friend. It really helps my small channel grow and reach new people who might benefit from the grammar I teach. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, the indicative mood, the imperative mood, the subjunctive mood. Compared. Let's begin. Let's begin.